It has been raining a couple of days around here, so I thought I'd come out to the garden and see what I see. And I see some interesting things. Very, very interesting things. I need to weed for sure. I have to come out here and do that. And my okra is coming up. My lettuce is looking good. Ooh, look at my corn. Something's eating my corn, though. What the heck? You see that? Something's eating the corn. I saw a bug on it. It probably was a squash bug. See, my squash is coming up real nice. And some peas are growing up. So far, I see some girls this time, which is nice. See, this is a girl. See it? Those are girls because they have little eggs. Boys don't have that. They come straight up like this one's a boy. See nothing under there, which is kind of weird because boys have balls and girls don't, but it's kind of a little bit. You can see the girls due to their eggs or their breastises. But yeah, and my cucumbers are coming up. It looks like my cucumbers are too, but they're coming up in the wrong place because I wanted to have my okra on the other side of this fence, but somehow it's all ended up on the same side of the fence. What the heck is doing that to my corn? No fair. Something's inside of that little hole, though. I'm gonna have to do some research and see what's going on. But these are three sisters. It was said that putting them near each other would help them. That doesn't look to be the case. Like, what is that in there? See that? What is that? It's like, I'm gonna touch it. It's like a paste of some sort. It looks pasty. Sorry, you can't get it to zoom in so you can see it. But I'm thinking that whatever that is inside of there is the problem. That is the problem. And it's a whole bunch of it. Whatever. I'm sure that was the corn at one time. I'm thinking. That's possibly what it could be. I see a little something. See that right there? That's inside of there. Are starting to grow out, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do some research to find out what could possibly be doing that to my corn. And then I'll have to come out here and just check underneath these leaves for squash bugs already. But yeah, it smells wonderful out here though. It's a whole bunch of nice scents, herbal scents, and see my herbs are down here. They're looking good. My lettuce in here, not so much. And that's an okra as well. And this is my watermelon. Not so well. And my little tomato plant here is just trying to make it. Looks like something might be growing right there, which is nice. And right there. And then that is a small one that I planted. But yeah, I think my biggest and see my artichoke. I made a little, like a little fence, but that's a little artichoke growing right there. I need to pull it. But yeah, so we'll have to definitely check on the corn and see what that could possibly be. You see some of the beans and peas that I planted are here as well. There's a basically, instead of having stakes and things, you can actually just let the beans grow up the corn. So they use the corn as a trellis versus you creating your own, which is kind of cool. But three sisters, we have to do some work on you. Hi.